How to download and sign in to your Citizens Bank mobile banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the Citizens Bank's mobile app and simply log into your account. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. First of all, what you'll have to do is simply go to your Play Store or App Store and simply type in Citizens Bank. Now download the Citizens Bank mobile banking app, which would look somewhat like this. Simply download the app, and once you've downloaded it, tap on the option open. Now once you've opened the app, in order to log in or sign into your account, you'll have to first of all enter your user ID over here. After that, enter your password. And once you tap on the option login, you'll have successfully signed in or logged into your Citizens Bank's online banking account or mobile banking account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.